Today I want to share with you these great vacuum storage bags. So we are getting ready to go on a trip, and you know, packing is always a problem. You're always trying to find enough room, and so I was anxious to get these in and try them out for our packing. So this box came with 3 different sizes. I was really excited about that. You know, with packing, I wasn't sure what size I was going to need. So this is actually the smaller one, which I think is going to be great for swimsuits. And this is the medium. And this is the large. This large still will fit inside our luggage. So I'm excited about that. I wasn't sure if the large would fit in there, but it looks like it will. So that would be great for like pants or dresses or some bigger items. So it also came with this pump. So interesting thing you need to know about this pump, it does not have a battery. So it's not like a rechargeable battery operated item. You actually have to plug it into a power source to use. It's still very compact and very easy to take with you. It did come in with the cord. And this cord is great because it has your thing that holds it closed right there. It has the USB on one end. I'm sorry, USB is on this end. It also has a C adapter. And then you have a C adapter on this end. So this pump, you plug it in, plug the C adapter in, and then if you're traveling, you could plug that right into a USB adapter on a plug, or you know, somewhere at the hotel. The other option is it does actually have a built-in cord right there. It just takes a little bit, you know, to snap it out. That could be plugged right into your phone. I'm using my phone to film this video, so I can't plug it in right now, but I will show you in here in a minute. And this works great. You can actually plug it right into a phone, and you can vacuum out the air of the bag. So what I'm going to do now to show you this is I'm going to put all of these clothes from this suitcase, you can see it's pretty full right there, in one of these bags and show you how much it suctions down. So now I have this plugged into my husband's phone just to show you it's, you know, even if you're out traveling, that's all you have to do is plug it in like that. And then you take this little cover off, put that suction on there, and push the button. And it is going to suction out all of that air. It is taking a minute. That is a lot of stuff in there, but I can see it working. So let me bring you back when it's done. Okay, so that took just a little less than 2 minutes to suction all that air out. And you can tell when it's done because it kind of gets stiff. But look at how thin that is. And I had all of those clothes sitting in this suitcase. So let me show you how much room is left now. Look at that. Now you can see there is a couple of inches there. A while ago, my clothes were all the way to the top. So this really gave me a lot of extra space, plus my clothes are protected. I could put my shoes on top of this and it wouldn't worry about my clothes getting dirty. And I have that extra room now. You can see it even gave me extra room here on the end. So I'm really excited about these, and I think they're going to be great for travel or even just to give you more storage space in your house. So if you want to pack away, you know, your off-season clothes, these are a great option. I highly recommend it.